Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. This is Mama Jean, and for today's video, we're going to cook crispy chicken fillet. Before we do that, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell so it will notify you when I upload new video. So, let's make our crispy chicken fillet. Our first step is we're going to cut our chicken breast, cut into strips. Then we're going to marinate it. In marinating our chicken, we're going to use 1 egg. Then we need to mix our egg to the chicken. We also use some black pepper, then salt, big salt only. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of flour. There. Then marinate it for 20 minutes. Our next step is we're going to make our coat for the chicken before fry. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of flour and 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. We also need some black pepper and white pepper. We also add some salt to our butter. Then mix all together. If you have paprika, you also can put paprika. So this is our coat for the chicken. Let's proceed to our next step. So our next step is we're going to coat our chicken in this flour mixture. Coat it until everything in the chicken is dry. When you coat everything, we're now going to proceed to our next step. Let's fry this fried chicken. In frying our crispy chicken fillet, let's heat the oil first in medium fire. When it's ready hot, we're going to put our chicken fillet. We will cook it until golden brown. Let's turn around it so it will cook the other side as well. We will wait until golden brown, both sides. Our chicken fillet is already golden brown. You see? Golden brown already. So we remove it using our strainer to remove just oil. Then we're going to fry our remaining chicken. And I'll show you later. So our crispy chicken fillet is already cooked. I hope you like our recipe for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so you will get notified when I upload new videos. And if you have a comment on my crispy chicken fillet, just leave your comments below. If you have recipe suggestions, also leave your comments below. And this is Mama G. See you in my next video. Bye!